What is up? Today I'm playing Among Us. I know. So let's just go and find a game, I guess. Okay, game wasn't available. I'll get back with you guys once I'm in a game. Okay guys, I am in a game right now. Oh my god. Okay, we're seriously playing this right now. Let's see what I get first round. No. I am innocent. Oh my god. I have a lot of tasks. Do this. Look, that proves I'm doing a task. Already, they're gonna say red sus. Hacker. What? By admin. I was at weapons. I didn't vote. What? Okay, we got a hacker in our server first round. That is not fun. Okay, let's play. Okay. Wiring. Okay, download. Okay, I gotta fix lights. My webcam went frozen for a second. Is this seriously? What? Pink? Why does it say I voted? No, I want to vote pink. We got a hacker in our server. This is insane. This is insane. No, I cannot play with a hacker. No, 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 no. Hey guys, I am in a different server now, and it's normal speed. What? What? Whoa. Server's normal. Hopefully. Okay, fast as hell. No, no, no. Nice 10-second cooldown, and what else? I created a game, so I'll be with you guys when people actually join. No, no, no. A friend! What's up, buddy? Oh, more people! Yeah! Woo! We need more. We need more. Okay, let's just wait. Aww. Nice guy. Okay, 10 out of 10 people. Let's start this game. Start it. Let's see what I am. Oh, let's go for an imposter. I'll cool down. Let's run for our lives. Run. People are gonna think I'm sus because I'm just running into walls. I am new to PC. Okay, gotta go to an electrical. I am scared to death. Okay, so there's a little task. I have a little bit of tasks. By a little bit, I mean half the game. Oh no, this is fun. I hate this task. I can't mess up. There we go. Boom. I don't know what sabotage, but something is. I am going to fix it. So, comms sabotage. Where? They're gonna say it's me for sure. 3 tree. Okay, no one's saying anything. Who reported the body? Okay, I'm gonna kick it. No, I'm not. Disgusting. What? Bed. No one was ejected. Tie. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is my first time playing Among Us on PC. I played this game before. I gotta swipe this card. Wow, that was the easiest thing I have ever done in my life. Okay, that is actually pretty satisfying. How do you... Bodies 24/7. What? Who reported? Where? Skip. Okay, red always sus, so I vote red. Cause red's sus. Red sus. Red hasn't said anything yet. So he's sus. Let's see if he's the imposter. Wow. That's fun. Okay. Let me go. Just don't report anymore. I don't care. I don't care if you find one. Just ignore it. Just ignore it. Okay. So I gotta go storage. Nah. So, okay, storage. Damn. Why? It was dark blue. It was dark blue. If only I can vote right now. If only. Wow. These guys are pros. Yeah. One more voting process, then the imposter wins. Yeah. Yeah, I never knew that was a thing. I mean, I always did. Okay. I gotta go navigation. I'm calling. No! Here we go again. Here we go again. GG. Hi. Hi. Let me. There we go. Now let me say hi. No, I'm starting it. Let's do this thing. I'm doing as long as I can. I only got 15 minutes because that's the screen recording limit. Okay, I am very silent because I am very focused on this round right now. We are 9 minutes in, no, 9 and 20 seconds in the video right now, so you've been watching this for 9 and 20 seconds, okay? So look, this will prove I'm innocent, guys. Look, those beam things will light up. Yeah, that proves I'm innocent, because I did the task. Okay, I don't know what happened there. Okay, wrong place, What am I doing, Oh, look, I'll prove I'm doing the task. Oh, look, I will do this task. There. See? 10 minutes in the video. Okay, it's gonna take 2 days. It's gonna take 2 days. Or I could just record different files and then mix them together in the same round. Hurry up, please. Please, I want to get this. No! This better work. Wow. Thanks, game. Really appreciate it, but I still hate the task. Okay, I'm getting rid. I gotta get the webcam back. Let me. Red? What else do I got? Electrical items. Okay, I gotta go to the cafeteria. I'm right here, so I might as well go. Okay, now. Okay, I'm gonna wait for someone to. Look, see, I'm innocent. See? Now no one can say I'm sus. Okay, now I gotta go to electrical and then I finish my tasks. No! Proof? We need proof. What's that? Proof. No, I'm gonna just put pink because I don't even know. But he watched me scan. That webcam freezing. Get to you guys when I'm at electrical. Here. No! This is fun. It was yellow. Okay, let me finish my tasks. This task in the game. I don't know how to do this. That was so difficult. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. There is going to be a video right here. A video right here. One of my most recent videos. So, peace out, guys.